what does it take to configure the fundamental elements of Border Gateway Protocol? We must go into router configuration mode and define the BGP process, set up our unicast neighbor peers, iBGP peers, eBGP, whatever is needed, and then advertise the networks if you have networks to advertise. And this is not the same paradigm anymore as OSPF and EIGRP, where you always expect to advertise networks. In this case, you would only advertise networks if you were the router to advertise them. And you might only have a few routers in an autonomous system advertising networks into BGP. So with that in mind, let's look at some of these basics and understand a little bit more about what it takes. So if I do a show IP protocols, I want you to understand that when we are dealing with any BGP router, we expect an IGP as well. So in my topology, I'm running an IGP, and it happens to be EIGRP in one autonomous system, 64500, and in 64501, I've chosen OSPF. Not that it matters. But you need the glue for your own autonomous system to be in place first. And I have that. And so if I'm going to do things like define the BGP process, I would say router BGP question mark, and I can choose an autonomous system number. And so if I'm doing this on R1, I would choose the number 64500. And I want you to see something. Am I going to be able to put in two different autonomous systems? The answer is no. I'm not able to do that. And it says so very clearly here. So if you have accidentally typoed a BGP autonomous system, get rid of it, rebuild it. Really no surprise there. So that would be defining the BGP process. Then establish your neighbors, and then advertise the networks.